Hey guys, it's good to see you made it this far. I'm Ajit and I will be your guide. So today we will be importing the character you made in Blender into Unreal Engine. So to get started, let's download this GitHub project linked in the description. So this project has everything you need to get started. Don't forget to look at my other projects on my profile and add a star if you find them useful. I have a few plugins for Unreal Engine and Blender. Once your project is downloaded or cloned, open the directory where you extracted it. I have set up this project using Unreal Engine 4.21. This project already contains an example character with a skeleton setup, so we'll be using this as the basis. Let's import our FBX. I'm going to select the skeleton as already been set up. I want morph targets imported as well. I am now going to create a physics asset for this character. I intend to duplicate the female's physics asset and use it for the male. I'm going to make a few changes though, so let's get started. I'm going to open up the female character and I'm going to match the materials with the male. I will duplicate or make child instances of the material wherever necessary. You could do the same or share the materials if you feel that is required. There are some materials which I think can be shared and don't need to be duplicated. Some of the materials use the female base texture, so we'll replace that with the male base texture. If you have any other texture, you may use that if you wish. All the materials have a lot of parameters, so you can go through them and try playing around. The mask radius parameter marks the mesh with respect to the camera, but it affects shadows. I intended to use this in case you have the camera inside the mesh and you want the mesh to be hidden. But later on I realized that you could do this with other methods. Once all the materials are set up, I'm going to test an animation on the new male mesh. Since the male and female meshes share a common skeleton, whatever animations intended for the skeleton can be played across all meshes. Let's now test the animation on the male mesh. We do this so that we can see if all the clothes have been parented properly and that the character looks seamless. Let us now set up the physics asset. Since the hierarchy of the bones is the same, it should be easier this way. I'm just going to delete these physics bodies because they are not required. We don't need the breasts for the male, so let's delete them. You can increase the size of the other bodies to match with the size of the mesh, or you can decrease if necessary. Well, this is all there is to it. You have your character ready with Unreal Engine now. In future videos, we will be covering more complex characters and how we bring them into Unreal Engine. The female character on its own is a pretty complex character. It has a ponytail which is rigged, and it has a skirt which is using cloth. Now the cloth has been painted so that it is simulated physically. You can take a look at it and study it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. The blend project for the female character is also included in the project, so make sure you check it out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.